As we take to the skies, it's no longer just about getting from point A to point B. Today, flights are about navigating a complex web of conflicts, restrictions, and risks. The world has changed dramatically in recent years, and that change is having a profound impact on the way we fly. Take a look at this map, for example. You'll see conflict zones scattered across the globe, from hotspots in the Middle East to turbulent regions in Eastern Europe. These areas are not just volatile, they're also increasingly restricted airspace. Gone are the days of predictable and neutral skies. Today, pilots must contend with shifting borders, territorial disputes, and ever-changing warning systems. One tool that's become crucial for ensuring safe flights is called a NOTAM, Notice to Airmen. Essentially, it's like a warning system for pilots. When conflicts erupt or airspace restrictions change, NOTAMs alert us to potential hazards in the skies. And let me tell you, these warnings are becoming more and more important by the day. But as we adapt to this new environment, there are hidden costs that come with it. Longer routes mean more fuel consumption, which translates into higher expenses for airlines. And then there's insurance. Premiums for flying near conflict zones can add up quickly. It's not just about finding a new route, it's about staying safe and efficient in an ever-changing landscape. Airline schedules are looking very different today than they did just a few years ago. Routes that were once straightforward are now longer, winding paths designed to avoid high-risk regions. And with great flexibility comes great responsibility, or rather, great expense. Airlines must be prepared for the unexpected, whether it's a sudden change in airspace restrictions or an unexpected military intercept. Air traffic control is feeling the pressure too. With more flights taking longer routes, there's increased congestion in safer corridors. It's a delicate balance between keeping our skies safe and efficient. And let me tell you, delays can have far-reaching consequences, not just for passengers but for entire economies. Military activity is another factor that's changing the game for civil aviation. Drones, missiles, and counter-drone systems are introducing uncertainty, and intercepts are happening more frequently. It's a new era of flight, where military operations are becoming an increasingly important consideration for airlines. Airport operations are feeling the impact too. Delays and cancellations due to military activity can cascade through airline networks, disrupting cargo shipments and supply chains worldwide. The ripple effect is real, and it's not just about inconvenience, it's about economic disruption on a global scale. So what comes next? As we look to the future, it's clear that fragmentation of airspace is increasing costs, and flexibility is becoming more important than ever before. Airlines need to be prepared for a world where the skies are constantly changing, and that means being agile, responsive, and able to adapt at a moment's notice. The intersection of aviation and geopolitics has never been more complex. As we navigate this new era of flight, it's clear that conflict is reshaping the skies, and airlines must be prepared to stay ahead of the curve. For travelers, the impact is real too. Longer routes, increased costs, and unexpected delays can make even the most routine journeys a challenge. But as we look to the future, there are opportunities for innovation, collaboration, and adaptation. The question is, what will it take for airlines to thrive in this new era of flight?